Healthy cells cannot divide infinitely. In humans, a body cell can only divide around 50 to 70 times before it stops, never to divide again. Why is that? Before any of your cells divide, they must replicate all their DNA, which is packaged into chromosomes. But every time DNA is replicated, a tiny bit of information at the end is left out. This would be bad if the ends of DNA had important information, but luckily our cells make up for their own shortcomings. The end regions of DNA, called telomeres, are just repetitive base sequences of unimportant information, kind of like a buffer. In humans, the base sequence is TTA-GGG, just repeated over and over again. But with every cell division, the telomeres get shorter and shorter, until they're gone. The cell has reached the maximum number of times it can divide, called the Hayflick limit. Most cells undergo programmed cell death or apoptosis when they hit this limit, but some cells don't. They become senescent cells, cells that don't divide but still hang around. As you age, senescent cells accumulate in your body. While some senescent cells are beneficial to maintaining homeostasis, too many can trigger inflammation and harm healthy cells. Senescent cells are linked to diseases like diabetes, Alzheimer's, and cardiovascular disease. Scientists are working on ways to prevent or get rid of senescent cells, hoping to extend lifespan or health span. One way to prevent them would be to stop telomeres from shortening. Reproductive cells already do this by expressing an enzyme called telomerase, which adds telomere bases back onto DNA. But it's probably not a good idea to start injecting yourself with this stuff, since some types of cancer cells get around the Hayflick limit by expressing telomerase when they're not supposed to, allowing them to divide indefinitely and create tumors. Alright, what about getting rid of senescent cells? That works in mice. In a study, researchers injected aging mice with a protein that essentially reminded senescent cells that they're supposed to self-destruct. The mice grew back their fur and had improved kidney function and fitness levels. Many biotechnology companies are hoping to start planning human trials for testing senolytics, or medicine that kills senescent cells. So, are we about to unlock the future of anti-aging? Well, telomere shortening is just one factor that affects aging. Aging is a complex process with so many different causes that researchers are still categorizing. But improving the lifespan of telomeres and clearing out senescent cells could certainly be one part of the puzzle.